Oh shit.
Almost.
He almost did it. Hij heeft in ieder geval genoeg koeling nu.
Respect for trying.
Ja, precies.
Oh, wacht, onder water uitplukken.
What's up everybody, Thomas Anderson, DCV, and today we're gonna fly some wings. First I gotta retrieve my wing, meet up with Mark, then other wing boys are gonna come as well. Of course, bring some drone, but even more important, bring the DEET and the anti-mosquito, because summer is on, mosquitoes are on, we are on. Let's get it cracking.
De DVR ging al uit, dus ik stopte met... If you did it crash, did you really fly? And we flew it under the bridge. Next time better.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.
The aftermath. And let it dry the whole night. I'm gonna plug it in. Here we go. Jaha. Vista tank for the win.